We're back with another practice tip to help you become an ukulele master. This one is simply called stretch. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here and checking out this practice tip video. We've been doing a bunch of these, so if you missed any, go ahead and check that out. There's some great little nuggets in there that are going to help you become a great ukulele player. Anyway, if you're new to the channel or haven't done so, please subscribe, turn on that bell notification. That way you get all the updates on the ukulele, guitarlele, and baritone that we do right here on my channel. All right, so this is actually something I remember when I was back at USC. That is the University of Southern California, the #1 university in the world. That's right, the Fighting Trojans. Fight on. Anyway, so what was I saying? Oh, so we had it was a doctor come in, physical therapist actually, about stretching. So I'm going to show you a couple of those tips that they gave us to help fight arthritis, stiffness, anyway, to help you get ready when you're about to get your ukulele out and just crush whatever you're about to do. So these are really simple. I'm just going to show them to you. So one is just like getting up and just like shaking it out. I mean, just literally just shake, get the blood flowing, shaking the arms out, getting going. I mean, you can do like little wind circles, whatever, just cross like that. Just simple little exercise. You gotta, jump up and down if you want. Do a jump and jack. But anyway, it's about just loosening everything up, getting the blood flowing. So that's one of them. The other one, or other couple, one was a simple, very simple stretch. You got to be careful. Don't overdo this, okay? But just some simple wrist exercises, for example, okay? Just simply bending the wrist back a little bit. And again, just slow, consistent pressure without too much, right? Don't yank it. And you can flip it. You can do the same thing with your fingers this way. You can also put it down, right? And this is all about just loosening up the wrist. Now, the other thing was, I remember this one about the fingers, okay? And they said, be very careful about this because you could hurt yourself very easily. But just get your hand here. Just very softly pull your fingers back towards you. Just, again, consistent pressure, real softly. And you can just keep on pulling back until you feel it. You're going to start feeling it. You don't want you feel it in your fingers, but you're actually going to start feeling it in your wrist. So you're actually stretching out your wrist here a little bit. And just hold it. There's no set amount of time. Just do it 5 seconds, 10 seconds. You can do it as long as you want, depending on how much pain maybe you're going through or how much you need to warm up. Everybody's a little bit different, okay? You can do that on every finger, both hands, by the way. Everything I'm showing you, do with both hands. So anyway, those are just some quick tips. Get the blood flowing. Right? Get the blood flowing, get a little bit of movement going, get the shoulders, get the arms moving, get these nice wrist exercises, get these finger exercises that, again, are going to warm up your whole forearm. And that's going to help you not only warm up if you have no pain, but also if you're struggling with arthritis or any kind of like that. This is going to help you become a better ukulele player. I appreciate you being here, and hopefully it's helpful. We'll see you next time.